Hello, welcome back. We're playing this. We're just starting. There's more people here. These guys. Okay, you die. Boom. Oh gosh. Boom. Boom. Yeah. You get that, guest? I don't know how to just get an account to guess. It's so simple. I could one shot these zombies. That guy's gonna die. Okay, round 6. I had a short description on my last part because I have to upload it quick so I can keep playing this. Okay. The guy's so dumb. Just this game's kind of simple. Oh, oh, balls! Oh, gosh. Boo. Oh! Gosh. I should seriously start looking at my health bar. Gosh. Oh, more. Oh. Okay, what should I talk about? I talk about nothing in part 1. We'll leave that for Matthew talk on Ty Jack Matt channel. Boom. Done. Run! Oh, shoot. Okay. I'm going on Let's Being a Man. I wish I could go up there somehow. Where are you supposed to go? There's like nowhere. Round 8. Okay, come on. Die. Woo! Okay. I went swimming yesterday. Crap. Helps nothing. How do you get frickin' ammo in this game? Oh, I'm gonna die. Just get, oh yeah, replenish ammo, thanks. I just wasted all my money. My mom has an indoor swimming pool in the condo. Watch out! I'm on low health. Low health now. Okay. Oh shoot! I need to get up here. A lot of people have low health. Oh. Oh. I've been on the computer all day today. I've been watching YouTube videos because, you know, the Yogscast, yeah. I haven't watched their tech videos, and I started to watch them from part 1 all the way to like 16 now. That guest is about to die. Oh. I would just go like here on the ground and stuff if I wasn't on such low health. Well, it's starting to rise up. Oh my gosh, everybody has on low health. No. Oh, shoot. What are you doing? That pistol's useless now. I just have this criminal. I'm recording fine. We could seriously go to around like 100 if I wanted to. Ugh. I feel like playing Minecraft right now because I like creative mode more. I don't like it with all those zombies. I always put on peaceful mode because I hate all those, yeah. I don't want them to get up here. Oh, shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Now shoot, 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 shoot. There's 2 ways of saying shoot. I have so much points. Oh, oh gosh, run, run. Oh my gosh, now I didn't realize this. Take a dining table. Oh, help it, help it. Oh. What's this? Miss. I'll buy Miss.